Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in this video I want to show us how we can use our phone to write measurements. Right now, some of us are asking me, how do I do this, or how can I do this? Now, the simplest thing you need to know here is that you must have an Android phone. Then you go to your notes or notepad. Let's bring our notes. You go to your notes, right, or notes right here. You tap on your notes. Now, these are the measurements of my customers I have used to record their measurement. It's very, very simple and nice because it also attaches the pictures of the styles and their fabric they brought, right? So I have been making use of this measurement for a very long time now, and this is a perfect way to keep record of your measurements, your transactions, your details on the customer's outfits, and whatsoever they want to do, and also insert the pictures of their jobs in it. So for you to do this, all you need to do now is to come to this plus sign, press a plus sign, then the title will appear here. You can say Mr. Redefined Clothing Measurement, right? Measurement. Then that's the title. You now come to your typing pad, then write the chest, let's say the chest of let's say 46, the chest, let's say 46, right? You press enter. The right shoulder, right? Let's say shoulder, let's say 19, right? Let's put everything in place. Shoulder, let's say 19 shoulder. Sleeve length, let's say 26 for long sleeve, right? Then let's say neck, let's say neck of 18. So you do all of this. Then once you are done typing, so top length, let's say 34. Then these are the okay, shoulder, sleeve length, okay. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, round sleeves, let's put round sleeves after neck. Round sleeves, let's say for the bicep 15, for the elbow 14, and for the fist 9, right? So you just use comma to separate all of this. So after this, you can now put the waist, the hips, the laps, the knee, ankle, and then trouser length, right? So once you put all of this in place, now you fill the values accordingly. Let's say 36, hips of let's say 48, laps of let's say 26, knee of let's say 18, ankle of let's say 14, total length of let's say 41. So now, assuming that there is a style the person sent to you, once after pressing it, you press enter, then go on this picture image, press picture, then go on gallery. If the style is already in your phone, if the person might have sent it to you through WhatsApp, right, then you go on gallery. But if the person is here to give it to you, probably you want to snap it, you go on camera and open your camera and snap. But let's assume that the person already sent the style to me, so go on gallery, right, and then you now search for the picture. So let's just assume that this is the style I am going to make for the customer. Then once you get it, you click on select, and then you select it this way, and then the picture comes inside this note. You can reduce the size by clicking on this double arrow here. The picture size goes in this form. Then you can still go under the picture and type some details, the image description, right? You can say black material, you can say black material, probably golden embroidering. You put the details of what the person wants, right? After writing it, you click on good, then it saves. As you can see, the details of the material underneath the picture. So you can also put the person's price tag, date of collection, every other details needed, and the person's phone number as well. So this is how you can use your phone notepad to take your customers measurements, right? So once you are done with this, you can see how precise. So if you want to send this to someone, you can just click on share, this button here, and then send as picture. Send as picture, so that the picture will come in with this whole write-ups. Send as picture, then select the platform or the medium of sending, either Instagram, either Twitter, either Gmail, either Facebook, LinkedIn, Zoom, what's it called again? Share with me, Telegram, TikTok, WhatsApp, or Facebook. So, however, if it's WhatsApp, which is the general one, you click on WhatsApp and your WhatsApp will open, and then you select the person's contact and click on send, right? So, this is just how to save your customers' measurement. So, it's easier to come here now and type the person's name on the search engine, right? Mr. Redefined, and it comes out this way. So this is just a reminder on how you can go about dealing with your customers measurement. Now make sure as well that your phone is always on what's it called, you must make sure you do your backup always on with your phone, in order for you to save these things on your Gmail, so that whenever your phone gets missing you can easily retrieve them back from your Gmail. So I hope this video must have gone a long way to explain to us how we can run our adverts, how we can run not advert, how we can run our measurements on our customers out on our phone with for our customers, right? So you can actually do like this in all your subsequent measurements, and this will keep good record of whatever you are dealing with. Look at the measurements I have here, they are so plenty, right? They are so plenty, and this as well can still help you to keep up some write-ups of updates of what you do and how you go about your other activities. So like as you can see, I have some other write-ups I have. Like this one, I'm developing a write-up. What are the responsibilities of a business assistant? So I am the one trying to develop these write-ups, and this is how I create my content as well before I make my videos. So these are more what you can do to make your phone to be your office. Some of us are already wondering how or what to do with the phones. So this is what I do mostly with my phones. Aside answering calls and browsing, my phone is my mobile office, which helps me to take note of measurement at any given time without going about with pen and paper. But make sure you are careful enough with your measurements, and you know how to preserve your phone. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you find this video interesting, click on the subscribe button on my channel, subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and tell me your location you are watching this video from. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.